Imagine a country where the clouds are lower than the villages. In Nepal, people wake up surrounded by the tallest mountains on earth, where sacred prayer flags flutter in ancient windows that have breathed over these heights for ages. You will find humble tea houses perched on cliffs so massive they make helicopters look like tiny toys, and deep inside ancient forest, monks walk silently through mist older than modern cities. But Nepal is not just about mountains. It is in the warmth of a stranger's smile, sharing tea even when they have almost nothing to give. It is the sound of children playing on rugged paths handcrafted by their ancestors centuries ago. And somehow, in the middle of the world's highest peaks, Nepal makes humanity feel incredibly grounded.